I'm Dr. Sean Duffy at Temple Health. When a cough doesn't ease up in 8 weeks or interferes with life or sleep, it may take a lung specialist to give you relief. Chronic cough can be caused by something as simple as blood pressure medication or other culprits, including acid reflux and post-nasal drip. In some cases, even more serious conditions like asthma, COPD, or lung cancer could be the cause. The key is to find a lung specialist to run the right test to find the underlying condition. Once we find out the cause of your cough, we can provide the treatment to reduce or eliminate it.